I'll just give you a quick little breakdown. There's essentially a couple different stages: idea, story, outline, first draft, second draft, final draft. Second draft can turn into a million drafts depending on how particular your voice is. Second draft, final draft, and then typesetting, and then design. And then what I like to do here is actually audiobook, then publishing, then author funnel, and then marketing. And then we always talk about upselling, lifetime value. This is the standard approach, and we have apps for all of this kind of stuff. What was missing was the audiobook part. So what we've done is we've created something called Kafka, which you can literally put into your app store right now. Will allow you to do AI voiceovers because Audible doesn't allow you to do that. So there's AI voiceovers on Kafka. The question is, how do you get from your manuscript to Kafka? That's where this little app comes in. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So this is you're gonna have all of your old stuff here. You can view and download the book or download the chapter. You can listen to it here. I just did one chapter here and I chose the language, and you can choose the voice as well. You can download the individual thing. It's pretty self-explanatory. So all you're going to do is you're going to create your audiobook. Just click this button and then name of book, Jonathan Kendall, my great book, chapter 1, chapter name, chapter 1, beginning. And then right here, you can choose your voice. So you can click like Adam and then play it.
Pick me for your audiobook and I'll
You can click Alice,
Pick me for your audiobook and
click Arnold.
Pick me for your audio.
Right? There's a million different voices, so you can go whatever you want and then choose the language that you want to use. So this is and then what you do is you copy and paste the content here. Let's say, let me go into Google Docs. Google Docs. So let's say, you can see I have a million different things. But let's say here, what I would do is I would just take a little bit just to test it out and put it here. And then if you want, you can add additional chapters just so that it does chapter 2. So it'll do everything all at once. And then what it'll do is it'll spit out each individual audio file. You can even change the voice. So I know some of you guys have one chapter in the point of view, like one character, and then, the other chapter in another point of view. You can go back and forth. And even if you want to get really advanced, is you can divide it up even into people speaking, right? So you can get as advanced as you want with that, but you can continue adding chapters, and then you generate audiobook. We give you a couple credits in the beginning. Obviously, this costs us some money. So I think like the beginning level is like $8 or something. And it'll just automatically charge whatever you're doing. We actually are cheaper than 11 Labs, and you can top up your credits and get as many credits as you want. But this is why I recommend just starting a little small. So this is what you do here. And then, how you organize it after the fact is I recommend just downloading